Today, let's look at that shiny silver and gold that Crayola puts in their 50-pack. If you know how to use the silver or gold, you can add a metallic shine and area of interest to any colored pencil work of art. Blending will add form to your metallic colors. They just work a little bit differently than regular colored pencils, so I'm going to show you a few different ways to achieve desirable results using those metallic Crayola colored pencils. The first thing I tried when I used these metallic colored pencils is shading with them. I find that when I press heavy, it's super shiny, and then as I ease up lighter and lighter, the shine goes away. So it shines in the dark area, and in the lighter value, it's not shiny at all. In my opinion, it leaves a lot to be desired. Applying white full pressure right on top helps it look smooth and blended. It looks way nicer, but it still doesn't shine. There are a few different ways to have better results from these pencils. One of them is blending. Choosing a dark value to blend with a metallic color is easy. Just think of what that metallic color would look like if it wasn't shiny. Silver looks like a shiny gray. Black blends nicely with gray, so I'm starting by shading with black, which in this case is the darker value. This is an example of blending the way I've been showing you from the beginning. The problem I've found with the lighter value being a metallic color is that the black is not shiny at all, and where the two colors meet, it seems to be a little bit dull. Not to mention that in the past, I've had silver cover right over the black as if the black didn't exist. So I'm going to show you a way to use these colors that's a little bit different and I find has a better result. Instead of beginning with blending, color an entire area that you want to be metallic, full pressure with the metallic color. Now that I've colored a solid silver, you can see how much it shines all on its own. You really don't even need a dark value because it has a natural highlight from the metallic shine. Using this technique in small select areas of interest on a beautifully blended work of art adds a beautiful surprise when it shines in the right light. However, if you want to use that metallic color as an object and you want that object to have form, you can blend with it. Either the first way I showed you, or if you want it to stay shiny through the black, you can actually shade right over the solid silver. The metallic colors do allow you to layer in a way that you can't with the rest of the 50-pack. I find that shading over the metallic colors is a little bit difficult. It tends to be streaky, so I like to go back in with a metallic pencil, hit it one more time where the two colors meet, just to help it blend smoothly. When I hold this up for you, you're going to see the difference between the two techniques. On the top technique, when the light hits it, it only shines in the light value or on the silver part. In the bottom technique, the second one I showed you, you can see that the entire piece shines. This is why I prefer technique number 2 if I do blend with metallic colors. Moving on to gold, again, I'm going to think about what that gold pencil would look like if it wasn't shiny. It would look like a brownish yellow, so I'm going to use dark brown to blend with the gold. This is the gold blended with the dark value first. Here it is colored solid, and then finally this is what it looks like with the dark value shaded right on top. Now to finally finish off this radial design. The last two spaces are going to be silver and gold. I'll color with each metallic pencil solid and then add a shadow on each one. Black shadow on silver and dark brown on gold. When the light isn't hitting it right, those two spaces look like the dullest spaces on the radial design, but then as soon as the light hits it, it's that brilliant surprise that really makes those metallic colors worth using. With that silver and gold, this radial design is finally complete. If you enjoyed the video and feel like it helped you, please give it that thumbs up. Subscribe to follow my latest videos and lessons. I truly appreciate the support. I love seeing comments about how this might have helped you. I'm always up to try to help you the best I can and answer any questions, so feel free to ask. Until next time, happy creating!